What's up, people? Welcome to another episode of Screen Printing Real Talk. Rick, wake up, man. We might as well just shoot another one. You still here?
Oh, we're doing
you ready?
two today?
Might as well.
Roll the intro.
Let's go. I'm Ramon Jamal, and I'm sitting here with Rick Province, the owner of Ohio Ink Supply. Same day, different topic. Might as well. Keep it going.
Yeah, two, make up for last week.
Exactly.
Sorry about that.
It's all good. We're talking about dryers.
Dryers.
Right? So yeah,
What kind of dryer?
You're gonna need a dryer.
Hair dryers.
Not hair dryers.
Oh.
Oh, you dirty. Look at Yeah, guys, but right. When you are doing screen printing,
Yes.
you're gonna need some type of dryer to cure the ink. Is that right?
You are?
Is that right?
Heck yeah, you are.
Dang, bro, look, I know a little something.
Two different types traditionally. We got flash dryers, we got conveyor dryers. Flash dryers are used for flashing or heating, curing kind of lightly the ink in between colors.
Okay.
Before you put it on a conveyor dryer that has a belt, has a heat element, kind of low and slow, cures it so that it's ready for the customer. Okay, flash dryers. We got a couple different options from economical through Vastex, by the way. We're a Vastex dealer, awesome dryer. They have an amazing warranty on all of their infrared heaters, but their dryers are stellar. We have flash dryer, economical, a couple different versions, different sizes from 16 to 16 by 18 by 18, depending on your size and your use, where you literally flip a switch, get hot heat. The next options with a flash dryer are forced air. So it's an air flash, and basically you have the option of going just air blowing. It filters the air out and blows it onto the garment. A lot of us know if you're printing like polyester or garments that tend to be more of a plastic type fabric rather than just traditional fibrous cotton, it wants to constrict on you in between colors. So in between your stations, having an air flash that may not just have the heat on or heat and air, but just the air to cool that ink in between your flash stations is a benefit.
Okay.
The air flash too, you can toggle those three settings. You can put just heat, you can put heat with air, so it's actually forcing the heat onto the garment, causing it to heat up a little quicker, making your flash time shorter. Or you can make it just air like I just spoke of.
To cool it.
Yeah,
Okay.
they're sweet. With the dryers too, we also have like an auto, it's an auto spin. I forget what they're called, hold on. Oh yes, it's called the AF120 auto flash.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The AF120.
That's what it's called. But it's an automatic. It spins at 90 degrees for you, so it takes it away. It takes the danger out of leaving a platen or underneath a flash dryer. You know,
Right.
causing some fires.
The danger of a fire. Right.
So you gotta, it's a little machine, it's a little motor with a controller that sits above your, or on your spindle or your stand of the flash dryer unit itself. And then you can set it to rotate 90 degrees over your platen and rotate 90 degrees out of the way. So it auto flashes for you in between cycles. It's pretty sweet.
And you can like set it on a timer how long you want it to do that?
You can, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You can set it on a timer or a pedal.
Okay.
So you press a pedal and then it'll do it, cycle, go back.
That's cool.
It's pretty sweet.
I got a question.
Hit me.
Off the cuff, no fluff. You know how I get down.
Off the cuff.
Right. So, all right. So somebody like just starting out in a small space, right?
Yeah.
So they get a flash dryer.
Yep.
Can they use either one of those flash dryers as like, that's what, you know what I mean? Because you said like the flash dryer and then go into a actual dryer, low and slow. But if I can't get both, could I just use the flash dryer?
Yeah, you can. And you can even use a heat gun, as a matter of fact.
Okay.
We'll pop a heat gun up here that we actually sell through the store online. But yeah, a flash dryer would be perfect. And actually this segues into the next thing. We have a pallet adapter. It's a rotary pallet adapter for flash dryers that gives a kind of an arm where after you're done screen printing, you can set your garment under it and you can spin it under the flash dryer and use it as a curing dryer itself. So you can rotate that around, giving you more space. So as you're printing the next garment, this one's over on a flash dryer curing.
Okay.
So you can use it. It's about the same amount of heat that's coming off of those infrared panels, those elements. It's just, rather than taking it off, putting it on a dryer, and now you're back on the press working, so this is slow curing.
Right.
You know, it just saves a little more time by having a conveyor dryer.
Okay.
Otherwise, you could certainly use a heat gun or a flash dryer. That's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's cool. Just gotta be careful.
Absolutely, be careful. As far as conveyor dryers are concerned, kind of graduating up, we have Hicks and we have Vastex.
Okay.
Hicks, kind of oldie but goodie, lost a lot of recognition for a lot of years for some reason, but they're an excellent heat manufacturer. They do great dryers. We have some great gas options because there's two different ways to power the big conveyors, either gas or electric.
Okay.
We have some options there to choose from online. As far as Vastex is concerned, they offer some really good entry level, like the D100 is a really good option.
Okay.
And it's a tabletop model where you can either buy a stand with it or put it on an existing table. It has a belt, a Teflon belt. You can set the speed of the belt, how fast it goes. You flip the switch and it puts heat on it. So now, like I said, you're off printing the next garment while the one you just did prior is curing.
Okay.
So it's a good next step. And we can go all the way up now to, I believe, 72 inches. Vastex just launched a 72-inch dryer, which is pretty sweet. 54 is probably your most common. Vastex also is really, really well known for the size of the tunnel and the adaptability to expand.
Okay.
So Vastex gives you the ability to add on if you so choose. So as you grow, you want to speed that belt up as fast as possible so you're putting out more output, right?
More shirts on the
More
belt.
shirts.
That's dope.
So the faster the belt goes, the faster we're getting more space to put another garment on. I mean, it's simple math. You can add an additional tunnel to it, an additional dryer unit itself, and increase the size of the belt and double your belt speed. So if you're adding 2 dryers now as opposed to 1, you can double the speed of your belt and save time, save money.
Okay.
So the adaptability to expand is almost endless with Vastex. It's a really cool, that goes for their presses too. We talked about that in an episode prior.
Right.
Check that out.
That's pretty cool. So you could just like basically, because I'm just imagining like, you know, the dryer with the belt in it. So you can just like buy another one. And would you have to, I guess, buy the belt that extends that?
It actually comes with those
or you just hook them together.
Yeah, the expandable unit. So let's just say you're starting with a unit that's this big and you have one tunnel, for lack of better terms, we're going to call it a tunnel for now. And you want to add another one to double your time. Well, you can buy an expansion kit to make it this long. It comes with the belt.
Okay.
And then you put another tunnel and it's, you know, next to each other.
Right.
So you can go infinite, well, to a degree, long, but it's real expandable. So it's a good unit to kind of get in entry level and be able to expand into something larger as time progresses.
Grow with.
It really, Vastex is a great company. They support growth.
That's
pretty cool.
That's dope. All right, what's the smallest dryer you can get?
Conveyor?
I
I would go D100. We'll put a picture up here.
Okay.
And it's a great tabletop dryer.
Okay.
You know, you're in for, right now, as we speak, is about, you know, a little under $2,000, let's just say. And give us a call. You know, if you're interested, we'll work on some shipping for you and maybe cover the crate cost and the shipping for you as a deal. But yeah, it's a great tabletop dryer. It gives you the ability to adjust the speed, even the angle of the infrared panels. So if you're doing hats and you want to set that hat on, you know, like so, you want the angle of the heat coming this way.
Okay.
So you can adjust the angle of the panel itself.
Right.
It's a great little unit.
That's cool, man. That's cool. See, I was under the impression that, like, you know, because I'm looking at like print shops with the big dryer in there, and I'm thinking like somebody starting off might be in the basement or in like a room in their house or something. So you would want to, you know, have items that would fit.
Yeah.
You know, so that's
kind
pretty
of
cool.
Incrementally going up.
Right.
You know, typically start with the
heat gun, right.
But going from this to going under a flash dryer, letting it sit there for a little longer, having to wait for it. while your next garment's waiting, depending on how many stations you have on your press, to a conveyor dryer.
Right.
And then expand your conveyor dryer up to however big you need it.
Let's get it.
Get multiple lines.
Moving on up, baby.
Moving on up.
That's dope, man. So I guess is that it for the
That's
dryers?
it on dryers. It's basic kind of 101 dryer. If you have any additional questions, feel free to comment below.
That's right.
Send us an email. Give us a call. We're here to help you.
Right.
OhioInkSupply.com.
Until next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, did we say smash the notification bell?
No, we didn't. Smash
Subscribe.
it. Boom. Right here.
All that. Do all that.
Please.
All right. Until next time, y'all. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Peace.